Alrighty, what do you do when you got a hissing connector for your air compressor? I mean, you can see she's on there pretty tight. Alright, we can try to fix that. We can try to go in here and just put our grip on there. Try to rotate that. Get her a little tighter. It's about as tight as it's going to go. Not fixing it, right? Not fixing it at all. Get your gripper on there. Rotate her off. Now, for the life of me, I don't know why I have two of these. It's okay. It's all right. Anyway, you're gonna get your Teflon tape out. You're gonna put your Teflon tape right around the threading here, and well, you know, I never do a very good job with it. I always screw it up. Just get that Teflon tape around that threading. There we go. That's better. That's better. Use gravity to help you out, dummy. I'm talking to myself, guys. Sorry. I call myself names. Once that Teflon tape's on there, just screw her back in here. There we go. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Nice. Now you can tighten her down pretty good, or you can just kind of half butt tighten it down. Okay. It's not as tight as it was, because I want to be able to get it off with ease. Anyway, we're gonna put the tool back in. Oopsie. No more hiss. And just to prove it here, I mean, not that wasn't proving it. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Anyway, no more hiss. Problem solved. Hope that helps somebody out. If it does, make sure you leave a comment saying thank you. If you could like the video, that would be really super helpful and beneficial. Comment on the video, tell me thank you, or if you have another question about a air compressor, I will try to answer it. I'll try to answer it in the comments, and then I might try to answer it with a video as well. Try and do can be two very different things, though. Bye!